Hey there, what's up everyone? I hope you are doing well at home. Welcome back to my class. As you all know that we are revising Essay 1 syllabus. So let us see today 5th lesson, Living Free. Living Free. So children, please take out page number 62-63. Now let us see in detail explanation part. Parul was spending her holidays at her grandmother's house near the beach at Gopalpur in Odisha. Grandma Gauri worked with a local group that helped animals in need. Parul enjoyed being with her grandmother and learned a lot from her. So what happened here, children? Parul is the name of a girl and she went to spend her holidays at her grandmother's house near the beach at Gopalpur in Odisha. Here, Grandma Gauri, she worked with a local group that helped animals in need. Parul enjoyed being with her grandmother and learned a lot from her. I love Grandma Gauri, Parul said. And she wrote a letter to her parents. She helps me think about what I do and what I do it. One evening, as they were watching the sunset, they heard an odd noise. What was the odd noise? Odd is nothing but strange. Strange. Odd, strange. Odd, strange. These meanings you have to learn, children. Odd, strange. Odd, strange. Strange noise. What was that noise? Scritch, scratch, scritch, scratch. In the evening, one strange noise they heard. Scritch, scratch, scritch, scratch. So it's coming from those seashells I found today. Parul pointed to her beach bucket. Look at that, said Grandma. Some hermit crabs had already made homes in your shells before you found them. So what happened here? The noise was coming from the seashell that found today. So Parul pointed to her bucket, beach bucket. And Grandma said, look at that. Some hermit crabs have already made homes in your shells before you found them. So Grandma said to Parul, some hermit crabs have already made their homes in their shells. So Parul sat down next to her beach bucket and at first she saw only seashells. So what happened? Now she started to check whether hermit crabs are there or not. Then she sat near the beach bucket and she saw only seashells. Then afterwards, little heads and claws appear from the shells as it is in this picture, children. Alright, then they moved around in the bucket making scritch scratching sounds. Now the hermit crabs came out and they started making the noise and they are moving the bucket. See, even crabs can be quite delightful, Grandma said, smiling. Delightful is nothing but something that gives you great happiness. So who is giving here great happiness? Yes, crabs are giving great happiness, Grandma said smilingly. I want to keep them, said Parul. Parul said, I want to keep them in my room. They'll be my pets. I'll get a box with a lid. She ran into the house. Then are you sure you want to put them in a box? Asked Grandma. No, Parul said, I want to keep them and I want to make them as my pets. I will bring a box with a lid. And she ran into the house. Then Grandma Gauri asked to Parul that, are you sure you want to put them in a box? Then Parul said, yeah, I'll take good care of them. Next. Well, then we should make sure they can breathe, said Grandma, making holes for air in the lid of the box. Now what happened here? They started making the home in the box. So Parul started making the hole in the lid for air. Then she poured some sand into the box and little bit of water. And then finally the tiny stones in the sand. Parul lifted each hermit crab and put it in the box. She kept all those hermit crabs in the box and stones in the sand, right? You have a perfect little beach, she said, smiling. Parul said to the hermit crabs that you are having a little beach. Very happily, she said, I'm sure you will be happy, she said to the hermit crabs, and she took the box into her room. And as her room got quiet, the noises started again, the screech scratch. And then at night, Parul couldn't sleep because the hermit crabs kept her awake. And when she looked into the box, she saw the crabs trying to climb out of it. Okay, so the crabs trying to come out of the box and making a noise. Then Parul carried the box to the living room where grandma was reading, and she said to the grandma that, can we take two crabs to the beach? Then grandma closed her book and she asked, are you sure you want to go to the beach? Yeah, Parul said. I think they are not happy in the box. I want to let them go, said Parul to Grandma. Then Grandma said smilingly, yeah, very good idea. Every living thing should be free. Then Parul had never been to the beach at night. There were stars shining in the sky. She saw their reflections in the water. A banana-shaped moon made the sea look bright. So mostly Parul didn't go to the night to the beach. But this time she went to the beach and there were stars shining brightly in the sky and the reflection of water. Here reflection is nothing but images seen on mirrors or shiny surfaces. And a banana moon shaped made the sea look bright. So now I know why they don't want to live in a box, said Parul. It's so beautiful out here, Parul said to Grandma. That's why the hermit crabs don't want to live in a box, because the life is so beautiful out here. She removed the lid and kept the box on the sand. She and Grandma watched the hermit crabs run off into the silvery light. So as you can see here, now Parul removed the lid and kept on the sand. Now the hermit crab started moving to the beach. So I'm glad you did this. Never put living things in cages. Look, the moon is smiling too, said Grandma with a laugh. Glad is nothing but happy. Glad, happy, glad, happy. Now Grandma is very happy because Parul left the hermit crabs into the beach, and she said that moon is also smiling by seeing you. Alright, then Parul smiled back at the moon and put her hand in Grandma Gauri's as they walked home, and they started moving to the home. Then her parents came to take back to the city to Parul. So she packed her bags and she started moving to her house. Then while getting for the bed, Parul found something special. The stars and banana moon were outside her window and they had followed her home. And the moon was still smiling. So moon was also smiling. So what we have learned with this lesson, children, that you must not hurt animals. Alright, and you have to leave them free. When we hurt them, they also feel pain. And we must treat animals with kindness and respect. Alright. Now, let us see question answers bit. First one, whom did Grandma Gauri help out? Grandma Gauri helped a local group that worked for animals in need. Alright. Second, why did Parul love Grandma Gauri? Because she never forced her to do anything. Instead, she helped Parul think about what she was doing. Third question, what did Parul want to do with the crabs? She wanted to keep the crabs as pet. Alright, the next remaining question answers I'll be explaining you in the next video, children. So till then, take care. Bye-bye.